Unfortunately, finding the right vacuum sealer for your sous vide cooking, packaging up your wild game, sealing up your award-winning barbecue, or even your handcrafted infusions have been ugly, bulky, and dedicated to a more commercial industry. All those soups, sauces, and marinades you need to seal are a huge mess to work with unless you have that crazy, expensive, and complex commercial product. You deserve to do the things you love, and now restaurant quality foods are available right in your kitchen. Now you can finally upgrade to the next generation of vacuum sealing products without the mess or fuss of those ugly, bulky, and complicated products. So what does that even look like? With the sleek stainless steel body, low profile glass lid, and side handles for easy carrying, the USV 32 is ready to go from pantry to counter in minutes. Weighing under 30 pounds, this is one of the most portable chamber sealers in the industry and provides a beautiful complement to your home kitchen. You deserve top quality, and if you're looking for a new innovative product that will give you professional results, then now is the time to get the vac sealer you deserve.